Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into iOS 18 and its top 5 game-changing features. Let's get started. First up, the Passwords app. Say goodbye to forgotten passwords. With iOS 18, Apple's new Passwords app stores and manages all your passwords securely. Plus, it even suggests strong passwords for you. Cybersecurity just got a whole lot easier. Next, home screen customization. iOS 18 takes personalization to a new level. You can now redesign your home screen with custom widgets, smart stacks, and themes. It's like having a brand new phone every day. Get creative and make your iPhone truly yours. Now let's talk about the Calculator app. It's not just for basic math anymore. With iOS 18, the Calculator app gets a major upgrade. You can now use advanced functions, save your calculations, and even convert units on the fly. Math has never been this fun. Moving on to the Control Center. It's more intuitive and customizable than ever. Add, remove, and rearrange controls to suit your needs. Whether you're toggling Wi-Fi, adjusting screen brightness, or launching quick actions, everything is just a swipe away. Finally, everything else. From improved battery life to enhanced privacy features, iOS 18 is packed with small but significant upgrades. These tweaks make your iPhone experience smoother and more reliable. And there you have it, the top 5 features of iOS 18. Which feature are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you next time. Thanks for watching.